Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we'll learn about countable and uncountable noun. When I say countable means I can count these nouns. When I say uncountable means I cannot count the noun. Whether it is person, place, animal, things. Now nouns can be classified into countable and uncountable. Whenever we take a particular noun, we can say whether it is a countable noun or whether it is an uncountable noun. Let's see what is a countable noun. Now what is countable noun? They are nouns that can be counted. They are nouns that can be counted, no matter whether it is singular noun or whether it is a plural noun. But we can count the nouns, no matter whether it is singular noun or plural noun, but we can count the nouns. Okay? And mostly all common and collective nouns are countable nouns. Whether it is common noun or collective noun, they are all countable nouns. Let us see few examples of countable nouns like child, pencil, class, window, books, ocean, flowers, etc. These are few examples of countable nouns. Let us see in a sentence how to identify whether it is a countable noun or not. Let us see examples, sentences of countable noun. See the first one. I saw two owls sitting on the tree. So over here, the two owl is a countable noun because I can count the noun. Okay, I can count how many owls are there. There are two owls. So these are countable nouns. Next example. There are 4 milk bottles in the fridge. So over here I am talking about, see, milk, as we are talking about the milk bottles. So how many milk bottles are there in the fridge? 4. So I can count it. So this is what? Countable noun. Let's go with the third example. My father has 2 cars. So here this is a countable noun because how many cars my father is having? 2 cars. I need an umbrella to get out in the rain. So here how many? An umbrella means what? 1 umbrella. So this is what? A countable noun. Let's go with another example. To make this cake, we need an egg. So how many egg we need? 1 egg. An egg. To make this cake, we need an egg. An egg means what? 1 egg. I can count how many egg I need. So that's why it's a countable noun. So what is countable nouns? Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. Most of the nouns come in the category of countable nouns rather than uncountable nouns because they refer to things, people or animals that can be counted. I told you all common noun and collective noun are mostly countable nouns. Now let's see which are uncountable nouns. What is uncountable noun? They are nouns that cannot be counted. Uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted. Okay? They are always used in a singular form. They are always used in a singular form, or you can say singular number. All proper abstract material nouns are considered as uncountable nouns. Whether it is proper noun or abstract noun or material noun, they are considered as what? Uncountable nouns. Example like India, bravery, or I can say snow, honesty, silver, copper, wind, and so on. These are termed as what? Uncountable nouns, because you cannot count them. Let us take few sentences based on uncountable nouns. See the first sentence. I need some drinking water. Okay, here water is uncountable noun because you cannot count the water as such. You can count one glass of water. When I say one glass of water, I'm talking about one glass. So there it is a countable noun when I say one glass of water or 1 liter of bottle. But here just a water. You cannot count water as such. Let's see another example. Have some juice, please. So here the word juice is an uncountable noun because you cannot count them. I need some more time. So over here the word time is an uncountable noun because I cannot count time. Let's see the fourth one. Do you want some milk? So over here the word milk is an uncountable noun. So what are uncountable nouns? Nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Okay, we cannot count certain things in numbers such as milk. We cannot count milk, rain, sugar, water, jam. We have to use the word like for milk I can say a glass of milk where I can count the glass. A jar of sugar. So here the word a jar, I can count the jar, I can count the glass, but milk as particular milk I cannot count. When I'm talking about sugar I cannot count. I can count a jar of sugar but I cannot count sugar as such one. Then a jug of water, or I can say a bottle of jam. So milk, sugar, water, jam, these are uncountable nouns. We cannot count them in numbers, okay, but we have to use words like a glass of milk, a jar of sugar, a jug of water, or a bottle of jam. We can use terms like a little, plenty, or a bowl of with uncountable nouns. Though these nouns can be measured, they cannot be counted. Such nouns do not have a singular or plural form. Okay? Uncountable nouns. We can just, though they can, what I said that though they can be measured, but they cannot be counted. Okay? So today we have learned about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns that can be counted, and uncountable nouns we cannot count them. Mostly countable nouns are common noun and collective noun, whereas uncountable nouns are proper, abstract and material nouns.